Alright, it's Sunday morning. It's probably about, I'm guessing, a little bit right before 6 o'clock in the morning. This is where I'm getting ready to go fish, right out in there. Where I'm at today, this is called the Rambo Cove on Beaver Lake. It's a really pretty cove. It's got a lot of standing trees out in the water from before the lake was built. There's some few caves back here. I see a lot of wildlife when I'm back here. As a matter of fact, right over in there by where my truck is, about 6 or 8 years ago, I got stalked by a mountain lion. I could hear him screaming up in the woods right up there above me. So I hurried up and got my boat that morning so he couldn't get me. But I'll be back in a little bit once I get motored down here and figure out how to fish. Watch out for these goddamn water skier balls right here. Alright, let's figure out how we're going to fish here. By the way, Landon, I wanted to show you the inside of my tackle box. So, that's my tackle box right there. I like the kind that open like that so I can see all my lures at once. But this is all soft plastics, new lures. So let's get to fishing. Alright, and then I'm gonna troll. You can see I got my trolling motor right there set on the 3rd setting. I don't know how many miles an hour it is. Then I cast out behind us. And I just keep letting some line out here. Okay, that should be enough. And I yank the pole, make sure that lure's diving. Take out my shallower bait here, the CD7. Cast it out behind us. That's about 75 feet. There's a lot of fish on the graph right there. Let's see if we can get one of them. Got one on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a good one. How you like that there, Landon? Got that one there. Got this one on the umbrella rig. It's a big one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a big one. Don't know what it is yet. Oh, it's a bass. It's a big bass. Oh, stay on, baby. Stay on, baby. Got him on my umbrella rig. This one's for you, Landon. Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh, I got two. I got two. Two big ones. Oh yeah. Stay on, babies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. I'm going to keep these so I can show Landon how to clean a fish. Let's turn the boat off here. Ooh, look at those, boys. Look at those. There's my hand in comparison. Hell yeah. And they hammered that bait. He has it clear down his throat. Got that one off. Both of them got it right down the throat. Oh yeah, see how big that one is. See on my tackle box. Yeah, he's about under 14. We'll let him go. Let's see how big this one is. Oh yeah, he's over 14. We're gonna keep him. We'll have fish for dinner tonight. So there he is, boys. In case you're wondering what I'm using there, Landon, it's called an umbrella rig. It's got 5 baits on it, and I just caught 2 fish at once on it. Alright, I wanted to show you guys this spot. This cave right here, our lake's up really high right now, but this cave is usually about 8 or 10 feet out of the water. It goes back there a ways. I'm not going to go in it because there's been some animals dragging sticks in there. And in this neck of the woods, it could be anything. It could be a bear, it could be a mountain lion, who knows. So We do have bears and mountain lions around here, but the funny thing is we have that cave there, and then you look across over here and there's the other side of it. So at one time, when this was all rock right here, this cave was continuous. So I thought you guys might find that interesting. What's wrong with my focus? But anyways, look how pretty our water is here. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. So, but I'm done fishing, and I'm getting ready to head to the house and clean that fish. Alright you guys, I'm going to show you how Mark fillets a fish. First thing I like to do is pick up this little fin right here and cut right beside his gill plate. Just cut down till you feel that backbone, which is right there. Once you feel the backbone, come over here to his butthole and slice up from there. So now you have that cut. Next thing you want to do is get right up here on his backbone, right beside his spine, and cut down till you feel the rib cage. I feel it right there, so I'm going to come down his back right up against that spine. Okay, now that I have that cut, you can see I'm going to lay my knife a little more parallel with it, find his rib cage right there. Right now I'm cutting around the rib cage. That way I can have a boneless fillet. Okay, so then you just put your knife, you can feel the backbone down in there. You can see it right here. Just bring your knife along that backbone. Some people like to go ahead and take the fillet off right here. I don't. I leave it attached at the tail right here. The reason is, when you flip it, you can skin it. Oh, shit, it broke anyways. So when it breaks, I just get a little ahead of it. Get the knife as flat with the board as you can. Right there's your fillet. That's boneless. You need to get this blood off because blood tastes like crap when you cook it. So we'll wash that off. Let's get the other side here. Let's do this as fast as I can. Cut down, go along his spine. Okay, we got that. Keep cutting down till you feel that rib cage. You can hear it. Listen. Hear that? That's ribs. So come around those ribs with the point of your knife. Come along his backbone. I'm going to leave a little bit more skin this time so that it doesn't pop off of there. Come in, get right where that skin is, and just follow it with a knife. There you go. Fillet number 2. That's how quick you can fillet a fish. Now what I like to do is I'll check their stomach sometime. He's got nothing in it, so no need to cut him open. But that's how Mark fillets a fish.